Okay, continuing on with outlets. Um, Here in the kitchen, it needs a GFI outlet here by the sink, and we need to change the heights of those. So let me pop one in here. Outlet GFI. I have to look at my other plans to see where it goes. But when we place those things, I'm going to go with 45 inches. And then the thing to do would be to take a look at that with a section view. Which one is that? I don't think I'm using that for anything. So maybe we can pull it down to 42. Yeah, 42 to 45, somewhere in that range. Okay. Uh, and so that one, anything on this wall above, anything above cabinets needs to be a higher elevation. We need an outlet up here for the microwave. The plans don't really show that, but we need one there for the microwave. And I just edited my GFI and duplicated it to add the label MW. We need a range outlet. And of course, the microwave outlet needs to be up. Really, it should be up in the cabinet inside the wall cabinet up above. That's usually where those get placed. And need a range outlet here that's down pretty close to the floor, not right on the floor, but pretty close to the floor. A dryer outlet here, one for the washer, uh, and then a weatherproof outlet out here on the back door. And like I said before, I just edited my GFI and duplicated those to put in the labels. And a floor outlet. Let's see, did I load one of those? Outlet floor single. There's not really a dimension for it, but place it and then kind of look at your labels so you can see where it goes because you're going to put a text note off of that. Okay, a switched outlet. If you wanted to, edit a family and duplicate it, you could. Since I'm only using a few of them, I just did a filled region. It won't pick. Okay. Uh, Maybe an arc. And I made it a solid black fill. Then I just copied wherever I needed those, I copied those things together. Okay. All right. Now the wires. Um, Looking for another switch. Let me just delete that one. Okay. So we go systems, wire, and the choices are these. And I pretty much always use a spline. It gives me the most control. And I go from the outside edge of the switch and kind of play with a path to get to the light itself. Now, the ceiling fans, oh, and then hit escape. The ceiling fans, I just went to the edge of them. A regular light, like this one, you can drag it, or excuse me, not drag it, but if you go to the center of the light fixture, you'll see that snap, and that works great because it puts it right there. All right. So after you your wires in, we're going to make a change to our visibility graphics here on the electrical tab down to wires, and I did an override with the dashed 1/8 inch line type, okay? And that makes our switch legs to be a dashed line, which is what they should be. All right, the smoke detector, you'll, I think they're under fire alarm. Yeah, but you'll load family is under electrical, MEP, info, fire alarm, smoke detector here with no anything behind it, okay? So you're going to load that. I've already got it loaded, so I'm going to cancel out of that. And when you go to place it, you got 4 options. So choose the plane, and then you're going to come up here and go place on face, and then you pop it, wherever you need them, and then kind of move them around. And I think that will that pretty much covers everything. I think. Let me open up my completed file. And of course, in Blackboard, there'll be a copy of this completed. Oh, you weren't supposed to see that yet. Ah. Okay, there'll be a, oh, wrong project. Sorry. There we go. I'll give you a copy of this so you can see what goes where. And it's very similar to your printed plan, other than the addition of the ceiling fans, some different things like that, and some of the stuff in the kitchen I elaborated on a little bit. And oh, this outlet in the garage, that is an annotation, because you can't get you can't snap a ceiling outlet. And I don't think there was, I didn't remember seeing a ceiling outlet available. Let me look back and see. No. Okay, so what I did is it's an annotation, so it's just a symbol. And I wanted a symbol, and I'm going to load family, annotations, electrical, um, duplex annotation. And it needs to be behind, it's for the garage door opener, so it needs to be behind the garage door there. Okay. And this is just an annotation. It's not a BIM model. It's just a 2D annotation. So theoretically, residential drawings, you could use that for any of your outlets if you're not going to do renderings and stuff. And you could put your label in here for, I don't know. Oh, I wonder why it didn't pick. Maybe I didn't hit enter. Okay. Not that you need a label there, but that one is an annotation. So that's placing all our symbols.